Lavin from Xtreme Polishing Systems here in Deerfield Beach, Florida. We wanted to welcome our newest Genie to our line. This is the Pro Planet Genie. This is a single-phase or three-phase machine, 220, and it's a three-headed planetary machine that holds 9 diamonds. The actual measurement of the outside diameter of this is 20 inches. It's a three-headed machine. As you can tell, it's variable speed. It's a soft start. And this is going to be an excellent addition to the whole list of grinders that we carry here for smaller contractors that do residential work. People are doing anything like 1,000 square feet and under. Ideal machine for. Very reasonably priced. And of course our Xtreme 1050 pulse vacs is an ideal vac to go along with it. Once again, any materials that Xtreme Polishing Systems sells is 100% money back guarantee, so don't hesitate to try one of these today. If for any reason you're not happy with it, we'll refund your money in full. Thanks a lot and have a good day. Here we're going to turn it up a little bit. It's at 1100 RPMs right there. Most of your resins are going to be polishing at that speed.